guys, I'm today going to show you how to create your own brush. This works great if you are trying to put your logo on photos. So in the previous tutorial, the first part, I showed you how to make your logo transparent. But a way to save you a lot of time is to make that logo as an actual brush. So like when we post photos on social media, it becomes super time consuming. You know, if you have a batch of 10 or so pictures that you want to put on Facebook, Instagram, wherever, you don't want to have to go through and place each one, change the color of the logo if you want to so it suits the photo, all of that, resize it. It takes forever. So a quick way to do this is to create a brush that matches your logo. So to do this, sorry guys, sometimes my computer runs and it's annoying. You can hear it spinning and the fan going, so I'll have to ignore that, drown out that sound. So on the logo that you want to create a brush, just open that file up, open the JPEG version, and from here, this is like the super easiest thing to do. So the second tool down, so this is the marquee tool, so you can see the rectangle one is selected. I'm going to just drag out a box to select my whole thing. It's going to actually make it transparent on its own. So I have the whole one selected, and then I'm going to go to edit, and then define brush preset. So about halfway down, define brush preset, and I'm going to name this tutorials. I can't talk and type. Evidently I can't talk at all. Hit OK. And as easy as that, now when I go to brushes, the brush tool, if you look here, so here's my Urban Rhino photography one, and now here is my Urban Rhino tutorials one. So that is now its own brush. So you can see when I go to this picture here, I can make sure that one's the one that's selected. Obviously it's huge right now, and I want it to be smaller. So the nice thing is you can resize this, you can change the color, you can change the opacity, all with just a few clicks. So I'm resizing it by using my left bracket key. That makes it smaller. If I want to put this, let's say right here, and click it right there. If I wanted to use black, I can just select my black down here or hit the X on your keyboard, and now it's a black one. Let's say I want the color of her dress. If I hold down the I on my keyboard, the eyedropper tool, and select her dress color and click over here, now it's red. Again, you can resize it, you can make it larger, smaller, and I'm doing this by my using my left and right bracket key. If you forget to do that though, you can change the size up here. The other thing that you can do, so let me take off these couple, and I'm going to go back to white, a little bit smaller, is sometimes, so like if I was putting the logo up here, I think that's a little too predominant. It's too, not predominant, prominent. I get working on these and I'm making up words half the time. Sometimes I like to lower the opacity, so if it's a really dark background, I don't want the logo to be the focus of the picture. The subject should be the focus. So I'll change the opacity. I'm going to lower this down to, let's say, 50-ish. And now when I click it, you can see it's softer. So again, all we're doing, select it, go to edit, define brush preset, and name it whatever you want, and as easy as that, now that brush is here. So when you're going back and you're working, and you know, if you're using a layer mask or adjusting stuff, and you need your regular, you know, just round brush selected, those are still here as well. So don't worry about that. The last thing I want to show you is you want to, you're going to want to save your brush. So you can do that by going to Save Brushes, find the folder that you want to save it into, and you can save that. That way if you ever have to, you know, reinstall Photoshop, or for whatever reason, if you put a new batch of brushes on here and you notice that your logo is now gone, it will still be saved and you can just load it on there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Check back in with our next tutorial.
Make sure you stay connected with Urban Rhino on social media. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and of course, subscribe to our channel.